Hi guys, today I will be showing you a full tutorial on how to join and benefit from the EXGOLAND affiliate program. Let's get started. First, you have to go to the footer and click on affiliate page. This page will open. Here you can see some information about the program. You can either click join if you are a new user or sign in if you already have an account. Let's click join. The affiliate program page will open. Here you have to add all the shown information. The referral ID will benefit you if you want to customize your link as shown here. Now you need to add a social media link or a website link that refers to you. Now you have to add your preferred payment method. You can choose between PayPal, bank transfer, and crypto. For crypto, it should be a wallet that supports Solana. All you have to do is to paste your wallet ID in the field shown, and you can always change your information from your profile. Once you are done, click sign up. You will be redirected to the affiliate page and you will receive an email. Here you will see the email that you will get. Your request will be under review and it takes around 24 hours to get a reply from us. Congratulations, you got approved. Once you are approved, you will receive this email to set your password. Let's see the next step. All you have to do is set a strong password to keep your account safe. Then enter the words that you see for verification. Now, enter your password and click login in. Now you will see your affiliate page. Here you will see your referral link that you will promote to gather sales. Then you can see the number of clicks and impressions. Also, you will see a short version of the commission stats here. At the bottom you can see some video tutorials, your profile, and many things that helps you in your analytics and stats. Finally, let's talk about the banners. Here you can add your own banner and submit it to be reviewed. You can also see below some banners that we created that may help you in your promotion. We have different sizes for different platforms. You can choose what best fits. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.